In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an email from Gmail with attachments. Let's get started. First, you'll want to go to Gmail and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to your inbox or wherever the email you're looking to download is located. Go ahead and open that email now. Make sure you've opened the correct email, as this is the one from which you'll download all the attachments you need. It's straightforward, right? Now let's move on to downloading those attachments. Scroll to the bottom of the email. You'll notice that any attachments included are typically listed there. Hover your mouse over each attachment. You'll see a download icon appear, which looks like a downward arrow. By clicking on this icon, you can save each file directly to your computer. This is useful because it allows you to handle each file individually, ensuring you download exactly what you need. If your email contains multiple attachments, Gmail sometimes offers the convenient option to download them all at once as a single zip file. Keep an eye out for that option because it can save you time, making the whole process faster when dealing with numerous attachments. Simply click on the Download All option, and Gmail will automatically create and download a zip file for you containing all the attachments. One more tip to consider. When you're saving these files to your computer, make sure you know where they're going. Check your browser's download settings to confirm whether the files are being saved to a specific folder or if you're prompted for a destination each time you download something new. This step can prevent any confusion later on, especially when you need to access these files quickly and efficiently. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded an email from Gmail, complete with all its attachments. This process allows you to manage your emails and files more effectively, preserving crucial information offline or for future use, whether it's for work, personal use, or simply organizing your digital life. Understanding how to download emails with their attachments can make a big difference in how you handle your communication tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from understanding this simple yet essential task. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful guides.